Hey everyone, what's going on? So, let's talk about design. For years, Canva has been the king of easy-to-use graphic design for small businesses and creators. But what if I told you that Google just dropped a new tool that could seriously shake things up? Today, we're diving deep into Google's brand new, completely free AI-powered content generator. It claims to whip up professional, on-brand marketing materials in just a few minutes. Is it really a Canva killer? Let's find out. First things first, where do you find this magical new tool? You'll need to head over to Google Labs. If you've messed around with their other AI experiments, you'll feel right at home. The starting point is ridiculously simple. All you have to do is enter your website's URL. That's it. No complicated setup, no credit card required, it's 100% free to use. You just plug in your website address and let the AI do its thing. I was a bit skeptical at first, but the simplicity of getting started is a huge plus. Once you enter your URL, the AI gets to work analyzing your website. This is where the magic really starts. It scans your site and automatically extracts what it calls your business DNA. This includes your brand colors, the specific fonts you use, your overall visual style, and even the tone of voice from your copy. It also pulls images directly from your site in seconds. It builds a complete brand profile. This business DNA becomes the foundation for every single piece of content it generates, ensuring everything looks consistent and professional. It's like having a brand strategist and a designer working together, but it's an algorithm and it's instantaneous. Now, no AI is perfect, right? So, what happens if it doesn't get your brand exactly right? This is where the customization features come in. The tool gives you a dashboard where you can review and edit your business DNA. If the AI picked a slightly off shade of your primary color, you can click and manually adjust it using a color picker or by inputting the hex code. Same with fonts if it didn't grab the right one. You can change it. You can also upload your own media, like a higher resolution logo or specific product photos you want to use. You can even refine the business description or tweak the slogans it generated to make sure your brand's voice is absolutely perfect. This step is crucial for making sure the final output feels authentic to your brand and not just like some generic template. Alright, with our brand DNA locked in, let's create a campaign. This is the real test. Let's say I want to run a summer sale for my fictional online store. I'll go into the campaign creator, select seasonal promotion, and give it a simple prompt like summer sale to 20% off all products. Then, I hit generate. What happens next is pretty wild. In under a minute, the AI starts pumping out a whole range of creative assets. We're talking social media posts formatted for Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. We're talking email headers, web banners, and even printable flyers. Each piece is customized with my brand colors, fonts, and images, all centered around the summer sale theme. The sheer speed and volume of content it produces is mind-blowing. It's not just one or two options, it's a full suite of ready-to-use marketing materials. So, let's take a closer look at what the AI actually created. I've got a few examples up on the screen right now. This Instagram post here? It looks pretty darn good. The color palette is spot on, the font is correct, and it pulled a relevant product image from my site. The layout is clean and professional. This Facebook banner is also solid. It communicates the sale clearly and looks on brand. However, it's not all perfect. Take a look at this graphic. The text placement is a little awkward, overlapping the main subject of the image. And in this other one, the AI-generated copy is a bit clunky and doesn't quite capture the energetic vibe I was going for. So while many of the creatives are usable right out of the box, some will definitely need a bit of manual tweaking. It gives you a fantastic starting point, but you'll still want to give everything a final review. As impressive as this tool is, it does have its limitations, especially since it's so new. One of the biggest drawbacks is the lack of fine-grained control. Unlike Canva, where you can move any element by a single pixel, this tool is more template-driven. You can't always nudge text or an image into the exact position you want. Customization options are also a bit limited right now. You can't add complex animations, use a wide variety of third-party elements, or access a massive library of stock photos and graphics like you can on more mature platforms. Another thing to note is that if you manage multiple brands, you might need to use different Google accounts for each one, as it seems to tie the business DNA to a single account. These are definitely areas where tools like Canva still have a major edge. So, what's the final verdict? Is this new Google AI tool a Canva killer? Not yet, but it's an incredibly powerful and promising start. Who is this for? I think it's an absolute game changer for small business owners, solopreneurs, or anyone who needs to create marketing content quickly and has zero budget. If you find Canva overwhelming or just need to generate a high volume of simple, on-brand assets fast, this tool is a dream come true. The ease of use and the fact that it's completely free are unbeatable. However, if you're a professional designer or someone who needs granular control, advanced features, and extensive creative flexibility, you'll probably still want to stick with Canva, Figma, or the Adobe Suite for now. This Google tool is about speed and convenience, while traditional platforms are about control and creativity. It's an exciting time for AI in the creative space, and tools like this are making professional-level marketing more accessible than ever before. I'm really keen to see how Google develops this further. What do you think? Have you had a chance to try it out? Let me know your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you got any value from this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech and AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.